Dynamite! How's it going, all you guys and girls in the Illumination? Time to jump aboard the Loom train. It's me, it's JJD, JJ Double J, the Illuminator here, the sweet one. Also known by almost countless other aliases and nicknames. We won't get into that right now. Not really feeling too great today, guys, so I thought maybe I would, for those of you who haven't been over to my other channels, I would show you a little bit of what's on there. Not that I really post there a lot anymore, but I thought maybe we would take a look at some of the jokes and stuff from over there and give you a little idea of what it is in case you wanted to subscribe over there, just in case. But anyway, let's take a look at those, well, right about now. I'm telling you, you never know what's next with these new cars. It's amazing. Watch this. Bourbon. Not bad, not bad. A friend of mine got me a cookbook the other day called Roadkill Recipes. Figured it would be interesting, and it just so happened that same day I accidentally hit something. So I cooked it up and it was really, really good. Now I just don't know what to do with the bike. So these two blonde girls are talking in the park, and one of them says to the other one, "Which is farther away, the moon or Florida?" And the other blonde goes, "Duh, can you see Florida?" Well, that's about it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Say love, Risky. I'm off to the races. I love you all. Stay safe. Have a good rest of the day. Be good to yourselves. This is the Illuminator, and I'll be back.
I remember this one time I had a bowl of porridge, and it was good porridge. And my next door neighbor was like, "I'm going to get your porridge." And I was like, "No, you're not. Shooby-doo, dooby-doo, dooby-doo."